What's up YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaning, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. Back again at the best restaurant hotel in Paso. Today we're doing just 5 rooms right now. One of 3 jobs and an estimate. I'll show you what I'm using here. So carpets are not in bad condition. We're using carpet details as the pre-spray. And what I like to do on these kind of commercial, hotels and stuff like that, a little bit of deodorizer. So I'm not doing a full deodorizer. I'm putting about a cap lid full into my pre-spray, which is going to be around 2.5 gallons or so, 3 gallons. It's just enough to where it isn't overbearing, but nice little fragrance in there to cover up anything that might pop up while we're cleaning. Although it doesn't look visually dirty, you never know. So a little bit of deodorizer free. I don't charge for that. Again, $40 a room for these. And already mixed this up, adding it in. These rooms are all upstairs. Today we're just doing 5 of them. And then next week we got 10 to do, and the next day 10 to do, and that until we do 150. So that's cool. Stay tuned. So really lucky they have everything, and hopefully she said she's going to be trying to do that same thing. Everything's lined up in a row, so we don't have to wrap up, move the van, and then pull everything out again. So I did tell her that we might have to do some low moisture on some of these if that's the case, and she didn't have any problems. So I always give the customers, ask the customer if they prefer, or if they mind if I do low moisture or not in these rooms. I usually let them know that, you know, it's quicker dryer times and stuff, which is good for hotels, right? Because they got people coming in and out here, and she doesn't mind. So whatever she thinks, she trusts my instincts, and on my instincts is I could have did VLM on all these, but we're not. We're doing hot water extraction. perfect mix. talking about I mixed up just enough solution to pre-spray all these rooms. Set up the pressure 500, and at the wand it's going to be around 400. Temperature around 200. And we're just using the scrubbers to do little places here and there because these carpets are not in bad condition. So if you guys are starting out on one of these, if you don't have a CRB or a mechanical device to do agitation, 15 bucks, you can get it done. It's just a little bit more manual labor. It's not going to pull up pet hair and all that stuff like a CRB would, but hey, you know, we all started doing that, so. So he's working ahead of me doing that. Playing tug of war with a hose is never fun. It looks like he didn't bring enough solution hose out. I'm gonna fix this issue. Real quick guys, if you're thinking on getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course below all my videos in a link. How to start a carpet cleaning business, not only the technical side, but how to get people to call you, the business side. All right, and if you like any of the tools I use, also below all the videos that I post. Back to the video. Alright, so we got to moving in here and ended up doing an extra room on that shit. So I'll let them know. And hey, if they don't want to pay us for it, it's fine. I just hope they don't have somebody checking in today. If not, I'll be driving about 3 to 5 hours. All right, all finished up, looking pretty, smelling good. Just gonna turn off, lower the blinds and turn off all the lights and stuff. So hotels usually don't want to pay too much. It's like a bidding war with carpet cleaners. I actually, the lady who owned this place before she passed, I used to do her residence and her rentals. So, although most carpet cleaners are looking for the best deal, the lady liked me and everybody likes me, so they're keeping me on. I'm about $10 more than with the what they're paying in other hotels around here. Usually they have an in-house person doing this, but I guess they can only do like 3 a day, and they need to get these done quick. So yeah, so I don't do bidding wars when I clean carpets. You like it or you? All right, guys, that's it for this one. See you next one.